Lately asking a lot about lost souls. Mm. Even though they're not physically with us anymore, their energy is still floating around, either be here or in another dimensions, in another universes. They're somewhere in the places. There is a place, and for example, we are always connecting with dear friend who's no longer with us, and simply sending love and heart. They're deeply in the heart still, and sharing stories and talking about it, all the memories um, that we were enjoying together, etc. And it's everlasting, and we're meeting again eventually. Whee! Oh, so it's really nice. It's all energy. Flotation. La, la.